welcome to our channel Anshul Sakshi Vlogs. Today I'll be showing you this makeup look using all my affordable products. You guys can also recreate this look, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you love this look. Hi guys, so let's start. I'll be starting with this moisturizer. This is from BIOTIQUE. It's a very nice, very hydrating moisturizer. So let's take some amount. Now I'll be using this rose water. This is from the Natural Wash. It gives a very nice vibrating and refreshing effect on the face. So I'm just fanning my face for a while. Okay, hydration is done. Now I will correct the darkness on my face. I'll be using this palette. This is from Maybelline and the shade is medium 02. It's a camouflage palette basically. I'll be using the darker color, a dark color, for my dark circles and the areas wherever so I'm just blending everything out using a damp beauty blender. This is from ATUL CHAUHAN. You can use a beauty blender from any brand like Real Technique, PAC Cosmetics does good beauty blenders. So I'm just blending everything, and just make sure that the beauty blender is damp. It's not too wet, it's not too dry. So just blending everything all together. Alright. Now I'll be concealing my face. I'll be using this concealer. This is from L'Oreal and it's a full coverage concealer. L'Oreal Infallible full coverage concealer in the shade beige. Okay, so I'm just blending everything now. So whenever I do routine makeup, I usually skip my foundation because this concealer is a very thick concealer and it gives a very nice and full coverage. So you can skip using a foundation. Okay, whatever is left right here. Alright, now we need to set the face because I cannot just go out like this. I have to make sure that everything is in place and is set. So I'll be using this translucent powder. It's a no color powder guys from L'Oreal Cosmetics and it's a mattifying powder. So I'll be using this one. Taking some amount on my brush. I'll be using this tapered brush from Morphe. The number is M438. Just under my eyes. So wherever I have applied concealer, I'll be contouring my face now using this HOOLA bronzer from Benefit. I am crazy for this bronzer. I've tried many contouring products, but I just love this one. So I don't contour too much every day. Just a little works pretty much fine for me. Okay, so my soft contouring is done. Now I'll be using a blusher and this is from Faces Canada. It's a very nice peach blush. I'll be using this brush. It's from PAC 211, PAC Cosmetics 211. Taking some amount, removing the excess and just above the apples. So applying a blush makes you look so fresh. A little over here. Now for the brows, I'll be using this brow pencil. This is from Kiko. The number is 04. Kiko Milano 04. It's a very nice natural brown pencil, and I won't fill my brows too much. Because for a routine makeup, just make sure your brows look pretty natural, but in shape, of course. So I'm just using feather strokes and brushing everything together. Okay guys, now for the lips, a lip balm of course, and this lip balm is from the Natural Wash. So I'm using the Natural Wash Herbal Lip Balm before I apply a lip balm. For my lipstick, I'll be using this lipstick. This is from NYX Cosmetics and the shade is 17. It's a very nice peachy brown color. I usually love just using tapping motions like this. To get the perfect blended shape. Almost 80% of my face is done. I have to do my eyes now. I'll be using this palette. This is from PAC Cosmetics. It's a very nice handy palette because it has all the brown colors which are required for everyday looks. So yes, I'll be taking this color, maybe a brownish color, and just a little under my eyes, just on the 3/4 of the eye. For everyday, I'm not really fond of applying too much and too thick kajal. A mascara goes really well, and this is from Faces Canada. And I won't apply mascara on my upper lashes because I've got lash extensions done. Just make sure mascara dries for a while before you apply a second coat. And if you feel your neck looks a little different, go back, apply some loose powder or compact. Yes guys, this look is done. You can carry this look maybe on a day event or maybe when you're getting late for work. So it's just like a quick makeup look. So if you loved it and if you have any doubts regarding this look, you can just drop your comments in the comment section, and I would love to answer all your queries, all your questions. And also if you want to see more quick makeup looks, just don't forget to drop your comment. I would love to recreate such looks for all of you. And yes,